Welcome to English Podcast.
From Speak English with Ease.
Are you tired of living the same life every single day?
Wow, Alianna. That is a very strong way to start. Hello, everyone.
Hello, Jackson, and hello to everyone listening. But I'm serious. Think about it. Are you really happy, or are you just waiting?
That is a big question. I think many people wake up, drink coffee, go to work, come home, and every day feels the same.
Exactly. Nothing changes because you are not changing. This episode is your wake-up call.
I like that energy. Sometimes we need to hear the truth. We are too comfortable.
Yes, comfort is a trap. We stay in the same place because it feels easy. But easy does not make you grow.
You're right. If I only do easy things, I stay the same. I don't get better.
So today, we're talking about moving. Not just moving your body, but moving your life.
This feels different from our usual conversations, more intense.
Because time is passing, Jackson. It doesn't wait for us to feel ready.
That's scary. The clock never stops.
Exactly. Life is not easy. And here's the truth. It will not get easier.
That's hard to hear. We always want things to be easy. A better job, learning English.
But that's a lie. The world doesn't care if you're tired. The world keeps moving.
So if I wait for the perfect day, I might wait forever.
Yes. No one is coming to save you. Not your boss, not the government, not even your friends.
Wow. No one is coming to save you. That makes me feel responsible.
Good. That's the point. If you don't move, nothing moves. Your life is your job. I had a friend who always complained about his house. Too small, too messy.
Did he change it?
No. He waited for a miracle. More money, someone to help him. 2 years passed. Nothing changed.
It's easier to complain than to act.
Yes, complaining is free. Action costs energy. But complaining changes nothing. It only makes you feel heavy. We must stop making excuses. I'm too old, I don't have time, I'm not smart enough. Those are stories we tell ourselves to stay safe.
But safe is where dreams go to die.
Exactly.
So it starts with a decision. Not a maybe tomorrow decision, a now decision.
Yes, do it today, even if you're scared. You are the boss of your mind. You decide what you think.
That's hard sometimes. My mind loves the sofa.
Mine too, but you must be stronger than your sofa, Jackson.
Stronger than the sofa. I like that.
And remember, you are not alone. We need strength, but we also need faith. Trust God even when the road is dark.
That helps me. It gives me energy.
You have power inside you, like a battery. But if you never turn on the machine, the battery does nothing.
So I need action, not just thinking.
Exactly. Don't just try, do. If this message is speaking to you, please like the video and subscribe to Speak English with Ease.
And share this episode with someone who needs a wake-up call today.
Comment the word brave below if you're ready to change.
We always say start small.
Today, I want to say something different. Start now, but take it seriously. Do something uncomfortable. Growth comes from pressure. Comfort never made anyone strong.
Struggle made me who I am.
Exactly. Struggle is not your enemy. It is the price of an extraordinary life. Why do we do this hard work? For your future. Imagine a life without fear.
A life where I speak English confidently, travel freely, help my family.
That life is waiting for you, but it's on the other side of fear.
I was waiting for the right mood.
The mood comes after you start. Motivation creates action. Motivation does not create action. Stand up today, even if only in your mind. Make one decision, one brave action.
I'm calling my brother today. No more waiting.
That's courage. Life is too short for a boring life.
And too short for excuses.
Trust God, stay strong, keep moving.
It won't be easy, but it will be worth it.
Until next time.
Stay brave, keep going. Goodbye.